Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Snapchat account 72 hours problem. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to make sure that we have the latest version by going to the Play Store or App Store and not looking for Snapchat. So again, if you're using an Android device and you're seeing my end that this is an iOS, just follow the process and just open it up on your Play Store. Alright? In here, just say update or open. If it says update, please update it. Now, after making sure that your application has been up to date, simply click on Open. So once you click on Open, click on the upper left section to go to your account, as you can see right there. And once you're in here, I want you to click on Settings. Upper right corner, click on Settings, and look for Password. Should be this one right here. And basically just change your password. Once successfully change your password, you can now uninstall the account or delete your account, and your problem will be solved. Alright? And that being said, that is how you fix this one. Just by making sure you're up to date and your Snapchat is going to be changed to your password of liking. Another tip is going to be your phone should be up to date to the latest version by going to the general option right there, going to here, software update, and making sure you have the latest version as well. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.